In this video, we'll show you how to manage your allow and block lists in the TeleCloud portal, helping you control unwanted calls, manage spam, and ensure important calls always reach you. In the Answering Rules tab, click Allow/Block. Here, using the drop-down menu, you can select how incoming flagged spam calls to your user are handled. Your options are to ring as normal, send to voicemail, drop the call, or screen the call for verification. If a valid caller is being mistakenly marked as spam, you can override that by adding their number to the allow list. To block a number, enter it into the block list. This will prevent calls from that number from reaching your phone. You can also block anonymous or private callers by checking the option labeled Block Anonymous Calls. This prevents any caller without visible caller ID information from reaching your extension. Once your preferences are set, click Done to save. These settings only apply to your extension and user profile, not globally across your organization. From now on, your answering rules will automatically apply these filters. Spam and blocked numbers will follow your rules, whether routed to voicemail, screened, or rejected, while numbers on your allow list will always come through.